Hello, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, this is Looks by Honey and welcome to my channel. I was supposed to upload on Sunday, but I couldn't because I was really busy. You know, your girl have got 2 kids and it's not easy, man. Please pardon me, don't leave your girl, okay? I need your opinion, right? Alright, in today's tutorial we're going to be creating this look right here, and this is my go-to look. And if you want to learn how to do that, then please stay tuned.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
I'm going to skip this part. You guys know pretty well what I use on my eyes and on my face, which is by Olay. I use this one for my eyes and I use this one for my face. And I'm also going to skip this part. You guys know I use the Stila one-step corrector to correct my face, also to prime my face. And I go over it with a All Hours Primer by YSL. The reason I use the YSL is because it has SPF, which will protect my face from the sun. In case you're wondering what I used on my lips, is the Lips Booster by Simon & Tom. You guys know this. I really don't use concealer, I just go in with my foundation and that's it. And the foundation I'll be using for today is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation, which has SPF 10. And this is in the shade 5W1 Bronze. Just going to be popping that on my beauty blender. You can see this is what I use every day. It's almost finished. This foundation is so gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's lightweight and is a full coverage. And because it's a lightweight, that's why I use it as a concealer. It doesn't move. It doesn't crease. I love this foundation. If you notice, while blending this foundation, I'm trying to avoid my brows. Now guys, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent to set this foundation. To bronze my face, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in the shade Sable. On top of that, I like to go in with MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in the shade Sun Power because I love the effect it gives to me. It makes it look natural. You can see that the both shades are different. The Anastasia, it's deep, and this other one, it's kind of orange. When I'm applying my bronzer, if you can watch properly, I'm not pressing the brush too hard to my skin. I'm allowing the brush to do its job by just using the tip of the brush to apply the bronzer. In that way, you'll get a soft bronzer effect. Some people like to apply the bronzer connecting it to the brows, but I really think that doesn't look natural. I like to apply my bronzer on my nose, connecting it underneath my brow. I try as much as connecting the both lines together. That way I'm going to get a very small, beautiful nose. Applying this mark is going to warm up my face and give me the perfect shadow I'm trying to create. And I'm still going to be applying the mark to my lid, using it as my eyeshadow. Now going in with my setting spray, and the setting spray I'm using for today is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Blemishing Primer and Setting Spray. Now that the setting spray is dried, I'm now going in with the Anastasia Mineralize Beverly Hills Highlighter. Guys, the reason I love to use the Mineralize highlighter by Anastasia because it gives you that effect, as well as if you combine the Mary Lou Minimizer and the L'Oreal in the shade Gilded Honey. I like to go in with a small brush and apply this on my inner corner and on my brow bone. Also on my nose. I'm now going back in with the brush I used and apply the bronzer to my lid. I'm just going to use this to blend everything together. Just like that. Now going in with the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. And this is in the shade Medium Dark. Guys, look how small the spoolie is. It's going to pick up every little brow hair you've got. And the mascara I'll be using for today is by Iconic London. The lipstick I'll be using for today is by MAC in the shade Ruby Hill and Black Cup in the shade 34. Starting off with the MAC. Now going in with the Black Cup. You can go in and fix some falsies if you want, but this is my go-to look and this is what I use on my daily basis. Now going back in with my setting spray. Alright guys, this is pretty much it. This is what I wear on my daily basis. Hope this is helpful to you guys. If you do like it, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And hit that button right there if you haven't. Subscribe, alright? And I would love to see you on my next video.